Let's make the Mojito from the 12 Bottle Bar by David Solmonson and Lesley Jacob Solmonson. To make this drink, we are going to start with our mint. We're going to put 10 to 12 mint leaves into the bottom of our Collins glass. And I did pre-count those, and they're small, so it's a little bit more than 12. And so you're going to have to adjust as necessary. And I'm going to muddle those. I'm not going to grind them to a pulp. I'm just going to press them a little bit to release the oils. Now I'm going to add my rum. 2 ounces of your white rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add your lime juice. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters, half is 60. And your simple syrup. 1/2 ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Finally, I'm going to add a spent lime shell. And I'm just going to drop that right in there. Make a little splash. Now I'm going to crush some ice. Got my ice crusher. I've got my ice crush maintenance bag to hold the crushed ice in. I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed. I'm going to pour that into my glass. Just about perfect. And then I'm going to top it off with club soda. And I'm using a Schweppes club soda. You can use any club soda that you so desire. Oh, that was fun. I kind of dazed there for a moment. I was going to pour that all over the top. Anyway. And give it a gentle stir. Help pull some of those other flavors towards the top. Add a straw. My muddler almost fell off the countertop. And garnish. Garnish is going to be a sprig of mint. I wish I could get better mint, but here we are. Wake it up, as wake as it can get. That doesn't look too bad. And there you have it, the 12 Bottle Bar version of the Mojito. Drink with good spirits.